Hey, welcome back! In this one, we're going to build a notification settings screen using the Ionic design kit. Let's make it simple, clean, and easy to use. On the left-hand side of your screen, we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. In the center of your screen, we highlight our thoughtfully designed layout created using the Ionic design kit. And on the right-hand side, a phone emulator displays the real-time outcomes of our coding. Feel free to pause the video anytime to catch all the details. In this guide, we're going to show you how to build a notification settings screen that's clean, functional, and easy for users to navigate. This screen gives people control over the kinds of alerts they want to get, from messages to updates to promo offers. It's a simple way to improve the experience and make sure notifications feel helpful, not annoying. To build it fast, we're using the Ionic design kit. It's packed with plug-and-play components that follow the Ionic framework, so you get a consistent design without starting from scratch. Designers can easily drop in toggles, headers, and list items, while developers get components that work right out of the box, no complex setup. The whole process is smoother, faster, and way more efficient, making the Ionic design kit a solid go-to for teams building real apps. For code snippets and instructions, head over to our website. Ready to level up your Ionic workflow? The Ionic design kit makes it easier to build clean, intuitive interfaces without the usual hassle. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.